How to transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer. So this actual process is very easy. So before doing this method, ensure that your Payoneer account is ready to be used, operable, and already been verified for any kinds of transfer. So pull up your PayPal application or even run through the web version of PayPal and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer, all you have to do is to head over to your wallet and then in here just choose banks and cards and tap on add new. So this is where you can add additional bank accounts and as well as debit and credit cards. So ensure that before choosing in any of these options right here, you already have a copy of your Payoneer information, such as your 16-digit card number or any account numbers that you have in Payoneer. Now choose on whatever is correct right here, if it's either a bank account or a debit and credit card, and then just simply transfer the money over. And that's it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer.